You want to jump? You could try. Okay, jump. Ready? Okay. 2. You could do it. Just watch your back. Ready? 1. Don't be scared, Jay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Go. Yeah. Go, go, go. Yes. He won't do it with Lane. You didn't want to do it today, sweetie. Go again. I know. I know. Go again, Jay. No, go again. No, he wouldn't even go on the ladder. Come on, Jay, one more time. He's not going to let you go. Okay. Good job, Jay. Sit on the green. Ah. Turn around. Now you have to be careful. You want to sit or jump? Bless you. Okay. Okay, Jay, here we go. Ready?
What do you want to do? Jump or sit?
Okay.
Okay. Show me. 1.
You got it.
Hold my hand. You can hold my hand.
2 hands, Jay.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. I got you. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. You can hold my hand.
Jump, Jay. Come on.
Jump.
It's a big jump.
2, 3.
Be careful. Watch your back.
Hold my hand. 1.
Actual definition.
Jay, come on. 3, 2 hands. Okay, you can sit. Okay. Sit down.
Yeah, and it's like martial arts using it to.
And what's next?
1. Okay.
2.
3. Go. Go. You are so